Hello friends, and welcome to the Fisherman's Factory Outlet. I'm here with a couple of my friends traveling around. They're all fishermen. I'm not. I want to go check this place out anyway. Just noticed this interesting sign. I've never seen so much fishing gear in one condensed little space in my life. Usually it's a fishing section of a big sporting goods store that have kind of this much stuff, but there's a ton of fishing gear in here. And apparently there is a deep discount on a lot of items here, so much so that they limit the amount of things that you can buy in this store. Now, if you don't know, like I didn't know when I walked in here, that Berkley is the name of a company that makes a lot of fishing gear. And they're located right here in Spirit Lake, Lake Okoboji area. Not exactly sure where the headquarters are, but they're nearby. We're here in the northern part of Iowa, northwestern part of Iowa. And there's a lot of hunting and fishing going on out here, so it does make sense that there'd be some outlets like this, but I wasn't expecting this to be so big. Lots of line. I like these rods. That's cool looking. Some giant lures and ceiling. $10. Now, for instance, this rod here is $60. This is $20. The ugly stick is $20. And these are pretty decent looking rods. I really don't know that much about fishing, so I can't tell you if that's a great deal or not, but I'm assuming that it's a better deal than what you'll get in a normal store. Huh. I remember when I was a kid, my dad taking me fishing, and we'd fish for catfish. And the smell of this catfish bait is still stuck in my nose, I think. Here's a display on Berkley. I don't know what Berkley's main thing that they make is or what they're known for, but I see a lot of this bait around. A lot of it. $5 per day per customer. $6. I like that color the best. Okay, friends, these are 16. This is 22. So these are the more expensive ones, and these are the cheaper ones. There's some really cheaper ones here. These are $4. Whole section of bargain bins.
Here's a Spider-Man. Oh yeah. Spider-Man.
I'm hanging out here with my friends Blake, Lauren, and Patrick, traveling around. They know a lot about fishing. As I said, I don't, but I was asking what these are, and they just said super stinky bait. Power bait. These are called power eggs. I don't want to even know any more about it. Cool fishing gear here. What's that doing here? Friends, why they have a basketball in here, I have no idea. It's $50 too. It's not really a deal. Tiny poles. The one thing I do know is that these are for ice fishing. And there's a lot of that going on around here. You see out here on the lake, on the way in, there's just a ton of people fishing in their little huts, parked all over the ice. Pretty cool. And prices on these about $50. I like the way these hang. It's a pretty cool idea. $1 rods. $5 to $24 rods. Not a bad deal. Of course, there's a lot of lures in here too. My friends are really enjoying this. They're all three of them into fishing, and this is a wonderland for a hobbyist that's into this, for sure. Oh, and we're only halfway through the store. Here's the apparel section. Got a lot of stuff. This is a nice bag. If you're into kites, this would be something that you could consider. These fishing bags are really nice for some particular types of kites. I'm not gonna get too kite crazy. That's for the other channel, friends. But this is a really cool bag. And they're $100. Waders here. And price tag's 190 bucks. A lot of this fishing gear is brand new to me. Of course, I've seen waders, but I've never been in the market for one. I have no idea what these cost until today. This is interesting. There's a lot of sweatshirts in here. Some t-shirts hanging on the walls. Their apparel is slightly limited to a few things like sweatshirts, t-shirts, shoes, and waders in here, but you can also get sunglasses. I don't see any yellow ones, so I'm gonna have to pass. I've never seen the process of drilling the hole into the ice until this weekend. And I was fascinated that the auger is made of plastic. It's just got a razor sharp knife on the bottom that just spins and cuts the ice like butter. It's crazy how these things work. Really cool machine. It's a cool shop though, and wind your spools in here for you. I went ahead and bought something. I got some line. I like the colors of it, and it's like a Spectra. So I have a purpose for this. I am going to use this for some kiting projects. Well, friends, this has been a really fun adventure into the Fisherman's Factory outlet. I wasn't expecting it to be so cool. You know, as a non-fisherman, just found it to be very interesting. Maybe I'll get into fishing. Not on this trip, but sometime soon, we'll go on a fishing trip together. What do you think? Thanks for joining me today, friends. I really appreciate it. I'll see you in the next video.